Well, hi everyone. In this first example, we're going to show a simple PowerExcel connected collaboration. The idea, we're just going to change a single number in one workbook, press F9 to share, and see that number made available to someone else in the system by being connected to PowerExcel around the world. It's pretty straightforward. You'll see it right now.
One of the first tests of PowerExcel is simply to have you share some of your numbers with me.
Okay, Jaco, so how do I do it?
Well, first things first, in the columns of this workbook, we have the versions, the years and the months, and it's organized around the actuals, which are in blue, and the forecast of the remainder of the year, it's in green. And in the rows, we have the country, then the key accounts for forecasting and the entity. So I want you to try adding a forecast number for Australia now.
Okay, I see we have forecast 2020, April in the columns, and the country accounts and entities in the rows. Let me add a number for Australia. Okay, so how do I share it?
You just press F9 to share.
Oh, okay, that's cool. All right, hold on one sec. Done.
So let me now check on my consolidation sheet. When I also press F9, I should see the number. Hey, there it is. Say, Margaret, can you try this now for New Zealand as well?
Same thing?
Yeah, same idea.
Okay, adding the number now.
And I'm checking now. And there it is, 74.
That is so cool. Like, we're halfway around the world from each other and we're able to share without passing workbooks back and forth.